My dear viewers, this is my totally hair Barbies from the 1990s, and today I would like to ask the question, can we improve her crimp waves and how? For eternity, let's test. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. So for this project I would like to start with these few hairs here in the back, and the next step that I'm going to do is to steam her, because I want the hairs to be cooperative. I've used my steam machine to wet the hairs, and now I have combed them and prepared them for my curlers. So my curlers are looking like this. This is a crimp curler. I bought them last year. You can open them here and then you can attach them to other curlers, and then you hopefully get the crimp pattern that we already had in the hair. And now let's test if this works better than my crimping iron last year. So now I have crimped the two hair streaks, and now let's steam her again. My dear viewers, that's the result that I got. It's not looking very bad. And the end, I think it's okay. We have some more beautiful streaks and some less beautiful streaks on her head. So here a big part was cut. I wasn't able to curl this part, that's why it's looking a bit strange here. But I already bought the doll as it is now. What I can tell you is that you should not take very thin streaks because you get problems when the ends are very thin to keep the curlers in the hair. That is one disadvantage I realized when I used these curlers. Another big disadvantage is that it lasts a lot of time when you do this method, but in general it works. So decide for yourself. It's not a very expensive method, so that's the pro. These curlers are cheap. I think they were 10 euros for 30 curlers. It was not really expensive. In the end, I would say let's wait and see some month until I can make a final conclusion about these curlers. I would like to let her sit for several months and then do a review on the curls, and then we can see if the curls stay in the hair or not. I'm really surprised how this will turn out in several months. My dear viewers, I hope you like my little video in which we tested these new colors. Question of the day is, how do you solve the problem when you have dolls from the 90s with not crimped hair anymore? How do you do this? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you like my little video, you share, like and subscribe. I think we will do a follow-up video to see how this developed in around 6 months, so that we can see if the idea to use these colors was good or not. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye.